Hello students, so in this class we will learn some more concepts from Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so the very first concept is for acute angle triangle. For acute angle triangle. Okay, so what is the concept that? So this is an acute angle triangle ABC, ABC. Okay, and a perpendicular drawn AD is perpendicular on BC. So AD is perpendicular on BC. So if this type of figure will be there, then what you have to prove that this AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square minus 2BC into BD. So this is the thing you have to prove in acute angle triangle. Okay. So what are the things given? First is triangle ABC is an acute angle triangle. Then AD is perpendicular on BC. So now we will do proof. The first thing is that this is also right angle triangle and this is also right angle triangle. So first thing, this is also right triangle, this is also right triangle. So we will take triangle ADC. So AC is the hypotenuse, AC square is equal to AD square plus BC square. Clear? Now AD square plus DC square. We can break DC now. So if you will break DC, so you can write DC is equal to BC minus BD. BC minus BD whole square. You will write AD as it is and AC also as it is. Now it is equal to AD square plus A minus B whole square. So A square plus B square minus 2BC into BD. Clear? Now see, this is AC square. See, take these two parts. AD square plus BD square. AD square plus BD square. So AD square plus BD square is equal to AB square, as this is also a right angle triangle. Okay, so in place of these two you will write AB square, then BC square, then 2BC into BD. Clear? So this is what we have to prove. So AC square is equal to remaining two sides AB square plus BC square minus 2 into BC into BD. Clear? So similarly, in same type of concept is on obtuse angle triangle. This is the concept of acute angle triangle. So now we will see the concept of obtuse angle triangle. Clear? Okay. Now students, I am drawing an obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. Clear? So in obtuse angle triangle, see, this is the figure of obtuse angle triangle. This is A, B and C. And 90-degree perpendicular is drawn when BC is produced to D. So in obtuse angle triangle, what we have to prove? That AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square plus 2 into BC into BD. So how we will prove? The first thing, again we will say the same concept. AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square. Okay? So AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square. Now we will break CD. CD को break करेंगे. BD plus BC. It will be BD plus BC whole square. Now it is AD square. And this is AC square. Now this is a formula. AD square plus BD square plus BC square plus 2BD into BC, that is A plus B whole square. Now take AD square and BD square, AD square and BD square. So in triangle, this triangle AD square and BD square is equal to AB square. So in place of these two, you will write AB square plus BC square as it is to BD into BC, and this is what we have to prove. Clear? So these are the two formulas which you have to keep in mind for acute angle triangle and for obtuse angle triangle. Clear? So now see the next part, in which this is the acute angle triangle, that is A, B, C. Okay, and this AD is the median. So what is given? The given part is that AD is the median. Okay, so we have to prove that. So we have to prove that AB square plus AC square is equal to 2 times AD square plus BD square. Right? So for this, we will do a construction. We will draw AE. Draw AE perpendicular to BC. So, for proving this, we will draw a perpendicular line on BC. So now we will take that this angle is 90 in this triangle. This angle is 90. So this angle will be less than 90. Clear? So angle ADE is less than 90 degree, whereas angle ADC is more than 90 degree. That means this triangle is obtuse angle triangle and the rest part is acute angle triangle. So triangle ABD is acute and triangle ABC is obtuse. Okay. Now, if this is acute triangle and that is obtuse triangle, so there is a formula we have done for acute angle and obtuse angle. So what is the formula? See the formula. That for acute triangle, triangle ABD, what is the formula? AB square is equal to, AB square is equal to the rest two sides, AD square plus BD square, okay, minus 2 BD into ED. So this is the first part. When triangle is acute, this triangle is acute, so this square is equal to this square plus this square minus 2 into this into this. Now the triangle ADC, which is obtuse, so now AC square is equal to AD square plus BC square plus 2 BC into ED. So this is the formula of acute angle triangle. So these are the two formulas of acute angle and obtuse angle triangle. Now we will in the proof, see, we have to add, to prove, what I have to prove? AB square plus AC square. So here also we will add these two equations. When we will add these two equations, it will be AB square plus AC square is equal to AB 2AD square plus C, BD and DC. BD and DC, so if AD is the median, so BD is equal to DC. BD is equal to DC. Okay. So in this part, we can write this also as BD square. So it will be BD square plus BD square. Okay. And this BD and DC are equal. ED is equals plus minus, it will be cancelled. So it is 2BD square, that is 2 times AD square plus BD square. And this is what we have to prove. Okay. So if AD has a median, so it is equal to this side square equals to 2 times this side square plus this side square. Okay. So it's a simple explanation. That means we can say that suppose here is a median, then this square plus this square is equal to 2 times this square plus this square. If this is a median, then this square plus this square equals to 2 times this square plus this square. So this is the logic. Yeah? This is the formula of median. Now we will see the next part. Next question from Pythagoras Theorem. So now the next question is, students, so this is a triangle ABC. Okay. So this is a triangle A, B and C. So AB, BE and CF are the medians. Okay. So what is given? AD, BE, CF are the medians. So these are medians. Now what we have to prove? That to prove that 3 times all the sum of the square of the sides AB square plus BC square plus AC square is equal to 4 times the square of the sum of the square of the medians, that is AD square plus BE square plus CF square plus BE square plus CF square. So this you have to prove, that 3 times the sum of the square of the sides of a triangle is equal to 4 times the sum of the square of the medians. So just now we have done one formula of a median. So when this is a median, so we will take rest sides, the side on which median is not there, AB and AC. So what is the formula? AB square plus AC square is equals to 2 times that median square plus the side square. This is the first. Okay. Now second, we will take this as a median, then BC square plus AB square. So BC square plus AB square equals to 2 times the median square plus CE square. This is the second part. First we have taken AD as a median, then BE as a median. Now we will take CF as a median. So when CF as a median, then AC square plus BC square is equals to 2 times CF square plus AF square. Okay. Now we will do the sum. When we will add these two equations, these 3 equations, equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3. So we will get here 2 times AB, 2 times AC and 2 times BC. So that is 2 times AB square plus BC square plus AC square is equals to, so 2 times this, 2 times this, 2 times this. So you can take 2 common and all the 6 things will be inside this bracket, that is AD square. So you can write AD square is median plus BD square, you can write BD as half BC. So half BC whole square. Okay. Plus BE square, this is the median, plus CE square. So you can write it as half AC whole square plus CF square plus AF as half of AB. So half of AB square. Okay. Now this will be 2, you can cancel 2 on both sides. It is AB square plus BC square plus AC square is equals to AD square plus BE square plus CF square, and then this half BC whole square, that is 1/4 BC square, 1/4 AC square and 1/4 AB square. Now I will bring all these 3 parts this side. So it all will be subtracted. So when AB square minus 1/4 AB square is 3/4 AB square. Similarly 3/4 BC square and 3/4 AC square. So it will be 3/4 will be common, AB square plus BC square plus AC square is equal to AD square plus BE square plus CF square. Clear? Now this 4 will be this side, 4 will go this side and it will be multiplied. So 4 will come this side and it will be multiplied. So this is what we have to prove. That means 3 times the sum of the square of all the 3 sides of a triangle is equal to 4 times the sum of the square of all the 3 medians. Clear? Now we will see the next question. Now see the next question. So this is a right angle triangle ABC in which this side is given A, this side is given B, and the whole part AC is given C. And what you have to prove? That CP is equal to AB. This is the first thing you have to prove. And second you have to prove 1 by P square is equal to 1 by A square plus 1 by B square. These are the 2 things we have to prove. So this is a right angle triangle. So we can find the area of a triangle ABC, that is half into base into height. But when the base is AC, then also we can find the area of a triangle half into base into height. So in both the case the area will be equal. So that means area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle ABC. So here you can write half into BC into AB, half into BC into AB, and when AC is the base, you can write half into AC into BD. Okay, put the value here, half into AC is C and BD is P, and here half into BC is A and it is B. So this part is cancelled, and what is left? AB is equal to CP. This was the first thing we have to prove. Now second thing, that 1 by P square equals to 1 by A square plus B square. Since it is a right angle triangle, so we can write the Pythagoras theorem. So what is Pythagoras theorem? The hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. So we can write directly C square is equal to A square plus B square. But in this proof, A square is there, B square is there, but C square is not there. That means from here we can find the value of C. Shift P this side, it will be AB by P. Now in place of C, you can write AB by P. So this will be A square B square by P square is equal to A square plus B square. Now we will shift this A square B square this side. So it will be 1 by P square is equal to A square plus B square by A square B square. So you can separate A square and B square because this is the denominator of both the terms. So you can write it as A square by A square B square and B square by A square B square. So in the first part A square will be cancelled and second part B square will be cancelled. So what is left? 1 by P square is equal to 1 by A square plus 1 by B square, and this is what we have to prove. Okay, so solve this question 2 times because this question is very important for your board exams. Okay, thank you.